Alright, today we got to fix the tailgate on this 2017 Nissan Frontier. It almost is acting like it's locked, but it's not locked.
In fact, the lock itself also isn't working.
So I crawled into the bed of the truck and I'm filming looking at the tailgate, and it's attached with what looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these large head Phillips screws with a washer in there. And then down here, there's 4 along the bottom of these smaller normal size Phillips heads, and they're a plastic screw. So I'll just remove this cover. That'll give us access to the inner workings of the tailgate, and we'll be able to open it and then look into fixing it.
As you can see, I have the cover off and the tailgate is open. The way I opened it was once the cover was off, I could see these internal workings, and I pulled on this metal rod here, which popped the clamps that hold the tailgate on either side.
This is the part that moves when you pull the handle, this plastic thing here, and it has to push on this to pull these rods on each side that open the latches. But this had fallen out. This is the lock. So this part right here goes inside there, and then the other part goes in that hole we saw. And then this is the key. Somehow, see this spring down here with this white cap on it? Somehow this came off. I just had to push that, take that and put it back up on there.
That white cap on the spring is what holds this whole part of the latching mechanism that had fallen out in place. Now that this has been reinstalled, let's go over how it works.
Okay, what happens? This is the latch that moves, that pulls this rod and this rod that open the latches on each end to keep the tailgate shut. But this thing is the lock. When you turn the key, it slides it over like that, and then when this tailgate comes down, there's nothing for this bar, this plastic bar, to push on. But when you turn the key the other way, it slides that in there, and now that can push on there and open the latch. So that's done with the key. I'll turn the key. See, I'm turning this part.
As you can see, I've got everything clean, and I am now ready to reinstall the cover.
Hi guys, this is the end of the video, and we'd say you to like and subscribe. Bye bye.